Hey everybody, how's it going? My name's this is Marty the JavaScript Party. My buddy Rhett. We are trying to write some code. I just watched my video from last week, and we are working on say hello. Yeah, say hello. Why didn't I just watch a flashcard video? Let's see. Voice say hello. Oh yeah, I did not. What did I just? What the heck? I don't. Oh well, I guess I need to hit refresh because I feel like I did not watch the say hello. I watched the flashcard video. Yeah, I did not watch the right video. All right, so what are we doing? What are we even doing here? Let's see. So that was a really long one. Greetings, everybody. It's Marty the JavaScript Party and Rhett, and we just finished up our 3J language and region. Oh yeah, okay. So we got the region working and it's showing properly. Let's see. I know it's like an IO. Oh yeah, so that was me trying to do something with Git IO, trying to figure out how to do that. GitHub. Just don't remember what we were up to. Hopefully I closed with this is what I did. Well, okay, so we have to test it manually because I don't think. Yeah, I don't remember what we're up to. All right, mark that. So I watched the wrong one. The reason tomorrow I'll be working on flashcards. And that one is like in a really good place because we just basically want to clean it up and save out a separate branch because I feel like that is a great starting spot. So say hello. I don't remember what's going on with say hello. Hopefully I have the README updated. All right. One, create a service that emits a signal based on the route. So it should emit ES. I think that one's done. Listen to the UI for locale changes and print in template. All right. I have to go into my UI application, npm start. Oh man, I don't have my power plugged in. And I just redid everything and I don't even know where the power is for my computer. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll see how long we can go on this charge, but I got to figure that out ASAP. All right, so we're still waiting for it to serve, so I can still look around. What did I do? Did you do? What did you do? Hmm. Is it over there? I don't know. We started. Okay, we are up and running now. Let's go. Localhost 4200. Okay, so I think I have create a service that emits a signal based on a route. So for it should, yeah, emit. So we definitely are doing that. Okay, listen for and changes and print in the template. Yes, I definitely done. So this one's done. And then update unit test on local, and then see unit tests. Oh, okay. So actually, this works fine. I was thinking in in the other one, it's going to be very difficult to turn on and off the um, the microphone. You can't do that with Cypress. So anyway, so basically, I guess all we're doing is checking to see that this matches. So if I said EN and then let's say ES, then we should see ES. And then if I say like MX, MX. And so that's Spanish that's Spanish Mexican. And then I believe this is Spanish Spain. So as you can see, we have that squared away. Now, I guess it's kind of cool because like, so you can type in whatever you want. That's going to be one of the features of this application is you can check for anything you want. But if I haven't built it out yet, then you'll have to type in the word that goes with whatever you're trying to match. So, um, so we do have our routing service. We have this. So basically, all I want to do is go into Cypress. I need to keep an eye on my battery. All right. So let's go over here. CD Cypress. I believe I call it Cypress, and then npm run Cypress. Colon open. Believe that's how I have that set up. It's just how I set it up on all my projects. And I don't know if that's like the default way, but if you say Cypress npm run Cypress open, then it'll open like a UI for you to interact with. But if you type in, I'm looking for my power supply. If you type in run, then it will it'll run it headless and just give you the results. It's not as fast as you'd think it was, but you know, power supply is not in there. Is that it? I think that's it. No, that's not it. No, I don't know where my power supply is. It was funny because I did make a special effort to make sure I put my work computer's power supply someplace where I'd find it. All right, so this is up and running, so we'll run that. I don't even know what we have available right now. Let me go to Cypress. Looks like we have only 1030. Is that the only? Oh no, here we go. So let's close others. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. All right. So this checks to see that it exists. This validates the title, which is going to be wrong. Um, so I think we'll want to change that to locale. And then routing. And then basically we want to find ESSP. We want to find all the different pieces. So let's see. Are we done? Are we up and running? Didn't I already hit this? Or maybe not. All right. Here we are. We are running our Cypress test. And then we'll see if this one exists. The title should fail, right? Because we've changed the title. We probably should have a title though. I guess that's a good catch. So we'll do that real quick. Okay, so we are going to do this div welcome to the Say Hello project. All right, so we got this. Thing's still trying to. The first run of the test is very, very slow for some reason. I think I'll just probably get this title working, and then I'll worry about routing next week, just because it's going to be too. Like I just don't have that much time today. It's already almost 7 o'clock. All right. So this one should fail. We're going to change it to this. And I think I'm going to leave it at that. and we will work on routing next week. And we definitely want to, and that's it. And then we'll just send that up. And so now we're good. Yeah. I think routing might even be good. I don't remember. Yeah, so routing worked. So yeah, so our locale is data entities, language is data, region is entities. We have absolutely no, those are not, those are all gibberish. So we'll definitely want to then push it to EN-US. Kind of makes me want to just do that now. See here, we need to, okay, so here we actually want to check for locale, region, language. And then here we're gonna same, but they're wrong. If we don't recognize it, we probably should be like, say, hey, we don't recognize it, but do you want to try it? And then I don't know what happens, like if you get an error or what the deal is, but then ES MX. There we go. And we're at ESMX. All right, everybody. Happy coding. Have a wonderful day. Bye.